fuck, it's hot in here. Right. Clicked on the video, then you're wanting to know how to make a 10mm pistol from Fallout 3, I guess. I mean, it's pretty similar in 4, but whatever. Anyways, here you go. Any of you who work on, who use Nerf guns for any of your cosplays, you will recognize this as one of the older laser-guided ones, where you pull the trigger back slightly and then it would illuminate a little laser. That's the base that I use for this, and then what you want to do, go out to Hobby Lobby and get little wooden pieces, these small cylinders, and these cubes, and a few, I think I've got one right here, and a few of these. And what you want to do, when you get, if you have this and you're willing to break it apart, grab this, the hammer, I guess, I can't think of it. Pull it back as far as you can, and then twist it and try and break it off, and it will, you can get it out. And then there you go, you've got that whole section removed. Then what you want to do, you want to take this piece, place it into where the piece that you just tore out was before. Then what I did, I took electrical tape, wrapped it around the handle, and then gave it the black grip. Then around this, you want, also I'd recommend like sanding it down a bit, if you're gonna paint it. So like paint it like silver, or at least that's what I did. Give it a few coats. Then attach the cylinders to the back of this. 2 cylinders. You might be able to see them. Yes, right there. Attach those 2 cylinders to the back of the dart holders. I can't think of the correct term. Then place a few of the cubes going down this. I placed 2 of them over the laser, or where the laser is emitted from. One right here, and then a cylinder piece over where the, I guess, barrel would be. And then I glued another cylinder right here. And then you can paint those silver, add any little details you want, scuff it up a bit, give it your own touch if you want to. But there you go. This is the 10mm pistol from Fallout 3. It's got a nice weight to it as well. So this one's a bit shorter. So thanks for watching. See you next time.